How to add videos to a playlist. So hey guys, if you want to add your YouTube channel videos into a separate playlist, then you need to follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is create a playlist for our YouTube channel. So in order to create the playlist, open up your YouTube application, and for this particular thing you don't require the YouTube Studios. So once you have opened the YouTube application, click onto the profile icon at the bottom right, and then from here you will come across this playlist option. So simply click onto this plus icon and name it a title and choose the visibility. So for example, I'm not gonna name it, let's say new, and then you can choose any visibility as per your pleasing. So for now I'm choosing it to private, and then once I am done with this, simply click onto the create button. So here you can see that this playlist has been created. Now to add videos of your channel, you can either do it from the YouTube application itself or from the YouTube Studios. So if you want to do it from the YouTube itself, then what you're gonna need to do is go to your channel, copy the link, and then click onto the add videos, and then from here search for the videos that you want and then add it. Or if you wanted to do from YouTube Studio, it would be a much easier, especially if you're adding the videos of your own channel. So let us head back into the YouTube Studios, and once you are inside the YouTube Studio, click onto this content tab at the bottom, and from here simply choose the video that you want. So for example, I don't want to add a short, I want a video, so I'm gonna be inside the videos, and then from here choose the video that you want to add. So for example, I want to add this video, so simply click onto these three dots over this video and then click onto the edit button, and then from here choose the add to playlist option. Once you click here, you need to choose the playlist name. So this is the playlist that we created. Click on done, and that's it. You can see that the video has been successfully added to this new playlist. And then don't forget to click onto the save button at the top. And once you have done this, let's check whether this has been added or not. So here you can see that this video has been successfully added to this particular playlist. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to drop a like, do comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.